Firefly Aerospace, a Texas-based rocket manufacturer and competitor to Elon Musk's SpaceX, is considering launching its Alpha rocket from Japan. According to Space Kotan, the operator of the Hokkaido spaceport, located about 820 kilometers northeast of Tokyo, Firefly has signed a preliminary agreement to study the feasibility of launching Alpha from the spaceport. This potential partnership would make Japan the second offshore launch site for Firefly and the first in Asia. Adam Oakes, Firefly's vice president of launch, stated that launching Alpha from Japan would enable the company to serve the larger satellite industry in Asia and provide resiliency for U.S. allies with a proven orbital launch vehicle. The feasibility study will assess regulatory hurdles, timeframe, and investments required for a launchpad for Alpha in Hokkaido. Space Kotan spokesperson Ryota Ito noted that the plan would require a Space Technology Safeguards Agreement, TSA, between Washington and Tokyo, which would allow American rocket launches in Japan. Although negotiations for this agreement began last year, the two governments have yet to reach a consensus. In contrast, a U.S.-Sweden TSA signed in June paved the way for Firefly's launches from the Arctic. Firefly's Alpha rocket has experienced mixed results, with 4 out of 6 flights since 2021 ending in failure, most recently in April. Despite this, the company is expanding its satellite launch services globally, having recently gone public on NASDAQ. Japan's space industry, while experienced in government-led rocket launches, is still developing its private rocket sector, with most Japanese satellite operators relying on foreign options, such as SpaceX's Falcon 9 or Rocket Lab's Electron. The potential launch site in Hokkaido has seen some activity recently, with Taiwanese firm Space conducting a suborbital flight last month, although it failed within a minute. Japan's government is actively promoting its space industry, targeting 30 launches of Japanese rockets annually by the early 2030s, and providing subsidies to domestic enterprises such as Space One and Toyota-backed Interstellar Technologies. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. See you next time.